started out as just a regular weekend running errands has now turned into a DIY project for the RV. I needed a new radio, stopped by these guys. So initially they wanted to charge me 160 plus bucks to do the install in my RV, and that was going to be in about 2 weeks. I said no way, went on to an RV tips forum on Facebook, found out I could do it myself, picked up the materials, and now the weekend project is underway. On the way to the RV to do the install. Hopefully I can get in and out in under an hour. That's the goal. There she is, just chilling, waiting for something to happen. Something's about to happen now. Okay, so I'm here at the RV, gonna get ready to knock this project out. As you can see, I have the JVC car radio that I'm going to install, the hooks that I need to pull out the existing radio, and then the installation kit. I went online again and to an RV group, RV Tips, on Facebook, and they told me this is what they thought I needed. So we're going to try and put it all together. So I have to wonder, why do I always seem to do these projects in Florida when it's hot as Hades? It's about 90 plus degrees today. Let's get in and out on it. Okay. This is where you insert to pull the radio out, and hopefully once it's in there, it'll be an easy pull. Got the faceplate off. Not sure if it was the right way, but it's off. Now to the next part. Had to take a quick break. Needed to get some water. Stopping in here. I won't lie, it took a lot longer than I expected. And I kind of manned it a little bit, but it's out. Thank goodness. There you go, and there you go, manhanding it. So I hit a wall. There are just too many cables and cords for me to try and figure out. I guess after all, there is a reason why you have people at Best Buy hook it up. Little disappointed, but you know, at least I did some of it. Maybe it won't cost me as much when they finish it up. It's raining, it's pouring. This old man is not snoring, but probably will be in a little bit. I would consider this a DIY fail. I promised I would share all the good, the bad, and the ugly, so I think this goes for number 2 and 3. But I will persevere, get this thing hooked up, and get it ready for the next road trip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, or at least leave a comment. Let me know how crazy I am. Go out there and RV.